So in this video, I will show you how to use crypto. So what is crypto? Crypto is the currency. Crypto is the like I would say hidden thing. But I'm today talking about cryptocurrency. How do you use that? So cryptocurrency is gradually like day by day they getting popularity because of their like I would say their secureness. They are so secure, I would say. If you have any money on any exchanger or any web3 application, it's so I would say secure. No one can take that, especially web3 and hardware wallet. So how do you use that? Number one, you can buy that to your so number one, you can buy that by your money, fiat money. If you have in your bank account money, you can buy that from there. Number two is use exchanger. And if someone is give you some cryptocurrency money, USDT, Bitcoin, you need to just provide your network and address to them. Those people are wanna share with you. So and that's it. Use exchanger and web3 application. And number three is shopping. While you are going to shop, sometimes some merchandiser, some like Walmart, some retailer accept this crypto to take payment. So crypto is gradually would be popularity, and you need to practice that for being master, not master, being like advanced to earlier. So one thing, like if you notice that in 1990, at that time internet has been popularity, and Amazon CEO Jeff Bezos, who see that opportunity, and he quit his job. No, he keep his job, and as well as he trying to build a business on online, because he see that potential in online. Online is like online is like popularity 1000%. When you see that, he he did start a business that's related to book delivery. Like if you wanna a lot of book to wanna sell, you need to have a massive amount of space to keep those book. But if you have internet space unlimited, infinite, infinite space, you will have. So he see that, and he created a website. At that time, what was that? I don't know, website or any kind of hosting platform, I don't know. But he tried to just sell book. First of all, Amazon right now a lot of product they sell, but their first product was book. So Jeff Bezos seen at that time, during 1990 period, you see potential of internet. So here is one thing is need to understand, has to understand, that is the cryptocurrency. One day, someday maybe, you will see that cryptocurrency got their positions and every paper money has gone. So you know cryptocurrency will, like I would say, extends that, the position of paper money. So it's, I would say, 80% could be happen. But you need to notice that if you are alive, you can see that. So this is the thing that I wanted to share, and maybe I shared completely. So I'm hoping you will stay with me forever. Never quit my watching video. I will appreciate you to watching videos. So if you hear me, please write down on comment. I will glad you to doing like to doing that. If you do comment, I will inform you to call you. I will talk with you face on or on. So no problem, do that.